What's up, guys? New day, new vlog. Got Everett over here helping me out with the 350Z today. Ended up getting all the stuff out of the engine bay. Just starting to degrease her, wash her down. Let's get to it. All right. Oh yeah. I think we're definitely gonna have to do a couple rounds in extra. Good. Try and get over here too on the frame rail on this side.
Done, you should definitely spray this driveway off.
It's all kind of going out in the street right now too.
Yeah, I know, but we're looking all
I know,
over.
I see it. I think it's mostly that, but nice day out, probably one of the last ones we're gonna have.
Alright, take it to the gym. You have another brush? So you should definitely try like all this little shit over here. Well, you're gonna sand this anyways, right?
Yeah, but you want it mostly clean when you sand it.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, it's a relatively new car, so it's not that bad. The thing had like all factory parts. It was really leaking. It's just road dirt. Be nice to have my power washer here.
Probably do another round of this degreaser real quick.
What?
Probably do another spray of this degreaser.
Scrub? Well, that's the last of it. So, make it last.
That's not too bad. Rough stuff alright.
Are you pushing this thing back in the garage?
Yeah.
I gotta get going soon.
Alright, so we just got done washing the bay. She's been drying for about a half an hour, so she's looking pretty clean. Got all the major road dirt off. Just kind of cleaned her up. Now we can sand her down, start laying some primer up in here. What's up, guys? So I just left Finish Master in Fall River, Massachusetts. They're a little bit local to Fairhaven. It's about a 15-minute drive. I just went here, picked up my paint and all my auto body supplies to paint the bay. So I ended up going with the Chrysler ocean blue for my engine bay. It's from the new Hellcats, the Challenger Hellcats. It's a nice blue. It's a nice dark blue. I think it'll look nice with the silver. And we also got some reducer in here I'll have to mix into there. It's a 2-stage paint to activate it. So we'll head back to Fairhaven and we'll start getting to work on the engine bay. Alright, so this engine bay is actually, the paint's really smooth, and it's not anything special. It's actually really dull from the factory. So I'm going to try starting off with some 1000 grit sandpaper, and we'll see how she comes out. I really don't think it's going to take much scuffing for paint to stick to this, because it's already kind of bland from the factory. So let's see how we make out. Kind of had to make something work here from AutoZone, but let's see how she comes out. Honestly, with the way this bay is, you might be better off just using the sandpaper in your hand, because this thing's, I can already tell this thing can be a pain. Yeah, we're done with this. By hand it is. Like I said, I don't think this thing's gonna take much. Sanding will stick something to it, so, but take the time. I guess if you want to try a different grit sandpaper, and let me know how it works out, but I think 1000 is going to be perfectly fine. The bay's still a little wet from when I washed it. Yeah, I'm feeling it right now, and I think this will work fine. I can already feel, I'm wearing latex gloves, and I can feel the roughness through the gloves, so. I think I bought a whole box of this. And you can definitely see the particles. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's in the water, so it's making an effect. I'll probably wet sand between coats of paint anyway. couple people I watch on YouTube didn't even scuff it up. They just were able to lay some paint. That's one sheet done again. I'll probably wash it after I sand it because I can see there's still some dirt stuck in this kind of this like just residue on the engine bay. It's all leaking off the sandpaper. All right, so yeah, we'll just keep sanding and I'll show you guys the final outcome because this is going to take a while. All right, we're getting somewhere now. Just taking a little bit, and my GoPro is covered in sand, paint. Oh man! All right, well, we're making some progress. Got a long ways to go, but 1000 grit's looking good. All right, so finished sanding the bay. I'm gonna wash all this grit off. As you can see, it actually worked pretty good. Scuffed it up a decent amount. Some paint should stick to her now. You can see it all coming off in the water. Good thing they put this drain hole back here. Try and get some of the trans tunnel. What's up, guys? We're back. So the other day we started sanding down the bay, washed it all down to get it ready for paint. So woke up this morning, we're in the garage, starting to just kind of mask everything off. I got the heaters cranking because the temps did drop a little bit here in New England. Hoping the heaters will be enough to bring the heat up in here to lay some paint. I kind of want it to come out good. So yeah, we'll start masking some of this stuff off with some painter's plastic and lay some paint